In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render an abstract art composed of two objects coiling to one another. Create a plane. Add a screw modifier. Please match my settings. Add a simple deform modifier. We need to add an empty object. Rotate the empty object 90 degrees on the y-axis. Duplicate the mesh and move it on the x-axis. There is our complex coiling shape. We can create coiling dragons or snakes easily this way. Apply light color materials. Rotate it like this. Set the best camera angle and render. We'll render this scene in Eevee. If you have a matching render setup as mine, after following the tutorial, please disable use nodes under compositing. Set a better angle for the camera and adjust the focal length to zoom in further. This is the end of the coiling objects tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.